Coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists. I have a fun guessing game for you today. I'm thinking of something with 4 wheels. It goes vroom vroom, it can take us on adventures, and you might see it on the road every single day. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a car. Today, we're going to bring a car illustration to life with our colors and imagination. When you start coloring your car, think about all the parts it has. There's the big body that can be smooth and shiny, the windows that can reflect the sky, the wheels that help it roll, and maybe even some headlights that shine bright at night. But remember, this is your artwork, so your car doesn't have to look like the ones outside your house. You could make it rainbow-colored, or glowing like it's from outer space, or even covered in polka dots. The best part is that there are no limits to creativity. Now, let's talk about some fun facts while you color. Did you know the very first cars didn't even have steering wheels? Instead, they used something like levers to guide them. And the very first car was invented over 130 years ago. Here's another cool fact. Some cars today are electric, which means they don't need gasoline. Instead, they charge up like your tablet or video game console. Can you imagine a car plugged into a giant charger? So cool. And guess what? There's even a car that once drove upside down on a ceiling because of its speed and design. That's like a superhero car. If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share and subscribe. That way, you'll never miss out on our next coloring adventure. While you keep coloring, here's something fun. Some of the fastest cars in the world can go over 300 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a jet taking off. But cars don't just have to be about speed. Did you know there are cars shaped like hot dogs, giant shoes, and even one shaped like a giant piano? People love to get creative with cars, just like you can get creative with your drawing. Imagine your car could transform into anything. What would you make it? Maybe a car that turns into a submarine and goes underwater, or a car that sprouts wings and flies through the clouds. Cars also come in all sizes. There are tiny cars that can fit into super small parking spaces, and there are massive cars, like monster trucks that can roll right over other cars. And here's a mind-blowing fact. The longest car ever built was more than 30 meters long. That's like a car as long as a swimming pool. Can you picture coloring one that big? You'd need a whole box of crayons. As you add more colors, think about making your car unique. Maybe your windows sparkle with stars, or your wheels glow in neon green. Or maybe your car is painted like your favorite animal. How about a tiger-striped car, or a fluffy pink bunny car? It's all up to your imagination. Let's play a quick interactive game. Point to the wheels on your car drawing right now. Got them? Great! Now imagine if your wheels could be made of anything. What would they be? Candy wheels? Pizza wheels? Maybe even donut wheels? That would be a sweet ride.
Yellow.
Another cool fact, the first traffic lights were installed before most people even had cars, back in 1868. They were meant for horse-drawn carriages. And now, traffic lights guide millions of cars every single day. So next time you color those headlights and taillights, think about how important lights are for cars to keep everyone safe. All right, little artists, we're almost at the end of our ride today. How does your car look? Super cool? Super colorful? I bet it's one of a kind. If you liked coloring with me today, come back again and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next adventure. We'll keep drawing and coloring amazing things together. Until next time, keep your crayons ready, your imagination wide open, and I'll see you back here soon for another creative journey.
Coloring coloriendo.